Free Raptors. Aw. If I Had a Raptor by George O'Connor. And today's word of the day is Raptor. Raptor. So every time you see the word Raptor, you can read along with me. If I had a Raptor, I'd want to get her as a baby when she's all teensy and tiny and funny and fluffy. So cute. A baby raptor is so teensy and tiny that she would be easy to lose. I'd give her a little bell so I could always find her. Ring-a-ding-ding! There you are. Baby raptors are the cutest. If I had a raptor, she would like to sit on my lap, and I would let her. Even when she grows up, she will still like to sit on my lap. A raptor likes nothing better than a nice warm spot. My raptor would bask on a sunny windowsill or snuggle in the clean laundry. She would even settle on my homework or in any cozy little space, really. My raptor would like to sleep. She would sleep a lot. She would sleep all day long because she will probably definitely run around like crazy. She will run around like crazy all night long. Raptors have special eyes that let them see in the dark. Ring-a-ding-ding! I don't. Uh-oh. No matter how late she stays up, my raptor would wake me up nice and early. That's a little too early. She would let me know when she's hungry or not. If I had a raptor, I would have to teach her what's right and what's wrong. I might even have to trim her claws a little bit now and then. She would always forgive me, though. Good girl. All raptors like to hunt. If I had a raptor, she would stalk the little things that catch her eye, like birds or bugs or even a dust bunny. Sometimes she would stare at nothing at all, or at I wouldn't even know what. And sometimes she might just stare at me. If I had a raptor, ring-a-ding-ding, there you are. It would be the best thing ever. Aw.